a new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Lovebugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit as well as all these goodies, honey. But the star of this show is definitely gonna be the scarf. But they did send me plenty of headbands, as you guys can see. But it was just something about that scarf that was calling me. Now, before I get into the scarf, I'm going to talk about the unit a little bit. The unit that I will be reviewing is in the texture Yaki Straight. I do have it in 22 inches and is 180% density. Y'all, didn't you love that bag that the scarf came in? Like, yes, come through with the packaging, honey. Okay, so the unit is, I'm showing you guys the unit right here. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back with adjustable straps. Oh, I lied, no adjustable straps, but it does have that little Velcro band and you can adjust it as needed. Now, I did mention that I am going to be tying the scarf. I'm going to try to show you guys some looks, but I will admit that I did get this from another YouTuber. Her channel is Lexus Nicole. Y'all, if I forget, please remind me, child. Okay, please remind me to link her channel down below in the description box so you guys can watch it, because she can actually show you guys how to tie a scarf. Child, that ain't my forte, honey. I had to watch her and try to copy what she did. Like, shout out to you, Lexus Nicole. Honey, she looks just like Megan Good. She's so pretty. Anyways, I'm rambling. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me attempt to do some styles with this scarf. But she literally is in her video tied the scarf 14 different ways, and they were all so cute. But I gave it a shot, honey. Okay, I get an A for effort, or is it E for effort? You know what I mean. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me get ready to style this scarf, and then I'll give you guys more details and specs in the outro. So if you are interested in that, then I will see you, love bugs, in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so the first thing I noticed, and I want to shout her out because this is bae, honey. The first thing I noticed when I actually go on the site is that your hair? I know if you watch me, you've heard me mention her several times. Like, that's bae. Okay, so shout out to you, boo. Okay, so that is the first thing I see, and it says Yaki straight human hair headband wigs. YouTubers recommend, honey. Okay, and I'm a YouTuber and I recommend them, girl. Okay, I recommend them. So, okay, the unit that I am rocking is 22 inches long, which is pretty long, child, especially for somebody that's only 5'4". I'm not a very tall person, so it's really long on me. The texture is Yaki straight. It is in a natural black color. The density is 180% density, and it's a headband wig, child. Okay, so this unit comes in from 10 inches to 30 inches, child, honey. My girl, is it Angie? Is it Angie that's always like, you need to try 30 inches? I don't know who it is. I think it's Angie. Child, honey, girl. Okay, I cannot do 30 inches, 22 inches. And I was like, oh my God, literally. But I'm rocking 22 inches. And if you get this unit in 22 inches, it'll be $215, honey, and 77 cents. And they do give you guys a choice of headbands and scarves and such, which I thought was really neat. I didn't realize that this unit was going to come with the scarf, and the colors of this scarf, honey, is like, yes. So I did opt to actually review the wig with the scarf instead, and I'm gonna try to show you guys some styles, honey. I'm not really a scarf queen, but I'm gonna try to give you guys a couple of looks. Okay. Now I did also show you guys the headband, but we'll get into that in a minute. Okay, so now as far as this unit goes, as I stated, it is Yaki texture. So I know people sometimes they'll be like, well, I don't see the waves, and that one doesn't have any waves. And honey, I love the waves. I feel like the waves when it comes to Yaki hair mimics African American hair the most. Cause like even when I would get my hair straightened, I would still have those waves. So the waves to me indicate more natural. So this unit does have waves, and you can just kind of see the texture here. Now I did straighten it, but I did want you guys to see what it looked like prior to me straightening it. So yeah, there's no shedding and tangling with this wig. I know it looks like it's hair all over the place on my shirt, but the hair is actually connected. Okay, the hair is actually connected to the wig. And like I said, it doesn't tangle whatsoever. And yeah, y'all, now this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, but they're those itty bitty combs. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't like those combs because when I'm wearing it in the back, because I was actually gonna do like a ball style on top of my head, and child, it didn't look right. Okay. It did not look right, and it mainly didn't look right because the hair kept lifting, and I'm not good at styling hair anyway. Like, I suck at ponytails. I don't wear ponytails. Like, a lot of people be saying, oh, can you style in a ponytail? And I can do it. It just ain't gonna be cute, but I can do it. I can let you guys know that you can style in a ponytail, but it ain't gonna be cute. And I don't wear my hair like that. I just don't, because I'm not great at it. So yeah, that's my only con so far with this wig. Like, that's a con for me. The little bitty combs, but those combs seem to be what a lot of people are gravitating. A lot of companies are gravitating towards using those combs when it comes to these headband wigs. I'm just saying, though, do you have to though, son? But whatever. So yeah, as far as the cap construction and everything, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this wig. And I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video, so I don't know if the styling is gonna be at the beginning, like when I'm trying to mess with the scarf a little bit of what, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and do a lint check. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. Keep in mind, y'all, I am 5'4". I'm not the tallest person on earth, okay? So this may be longer or shorter on you depending on your own height, but this is where it comes on me. And this is where it comes to me in the back. So as I stated, it is pretty long on me. Like, I'm not tall, so things tend to be longer on me, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know how I feel about this wig, as well as give you a full 360. And if you are interested in all of that, honey, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you watch me, then you already know I love some Yaki, girl. Okay, I love some Yaki. I love the texture of this wig. I love this. I even love the length, because when you wear it with a scarf and stuff like that, it is not as in your face. Now, when I'm wearing like a frontal or something, I hate long hair, but when it's like a headband wig or something like this, it's not bothering me. It's like really not in my way at all. So I really like this, and I like the length. Now, it did come with some other headband options, but like I said, I haven't done a scarf with the headband wig, so I want to, you know, kind of switch it up for you guys. This headband right here is so pretty. It's just giving me complete holiday, Christmassy, velvety vibes. I think it is so cute. I don't generally like these type of headbands on myself just because your girl ain't got no edges, but I love how pretty that is. And then we also have this one. Now, I did show you guys what this one looked like on, and they did send a holiday, Halloween, not holiday, a Halloween headband as well, which I thought was cute. This would be cute for me to wear to work, you know, like to be in the spirit, the Halloween spirit. And I actually may wear that to work tonight. Does that go with blue? Child's gonna go with blue tonight, okay? I have a few of these, and these are just like standardy headbands to me. Like it's nothing crazy about these, and I got a few of those. And I also, these are my favorite type of headbands, these thick ones like this. I love these headbands because they really cover my edges, child. So I really love these kinds. And yeah, they sent some cute little goodies, but the scarf is definitely my favorite. I think the scarf is the whole vibe. I do struggle with styling scarves. Like, that is not really my forte, especially silk scarves, because they kind of slide. I ain't good at that. I ain't nobody's beautician, though. I always tell you guys that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I feel like you can't see. Let's see. And this is it on the right side. Y'all just had to throw it back on, honey, okay? Because I want you guys to get a decent look at the back. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.